Nation from Zimbabwe, from the commander in charge of the prison services, who has helped a lot of inmates with skills acquisition. And we must not forget them, the inmates as well. They need education, they need skills. So this award is for him and for the work he's doing. He's also represented here today. Can the representative come forward as well? Commander Moses Shibogo.
Esteemed guests, this is an award given to Commissioner General Chiwovu in charge of the Zimbabwe Prisons Correctional Services. The Zpcs has done a lot in terms of wheat production and also giving skills to inmates. They've done construction of schools under public-private partnerships. So we want to give this award to him. Congratulations.